There is a place where history whispers among the tree branches, and beauty reveals itself at every glance. A place where the soul of Florence is not just a view, but a living presence that breathes with you. Welcome to a dream, suspended on the hills that watch over the masterpiece of the Renaissance. Here, time slows down. You are welcomed by an immense private park, an oasis of peace where centuries-old olive trees cast gentle shadows on the lawn. Every path is an invitation to discovery. Every corner, a refuge of quiet and silence. Crossing the threshold, you enter a dimension where art and history inhabit every room. Majestic columns welcome the gaze, guiding it towards vaulted ceilings and walls that tell ancient stories. Every detail, from the precious frescoes to the fine marble, bears witness to a glorious past that coexists with the present. The interior spaces are a harmonious symphony of styles. Lounges where classic elegance invites conversation and relaxation. A library that preserves culture and knowledge. Rooms flooded with natural light that constantly interact with the greenery of the park. Creating a sense of continuity between inside and outside. And then, suddenly, there it is. From a window, like a living painting created especially for you, Brunelleschi's dome appears. An intimate and privileged connection with the eternal symbol of Florence. Living here is not just about living in a house, but about cherishing a piece of rare beauty. It means choosing an emotion, a privilege, a view that becomes part of your soul. This is not just a portion of a villa. It is a chapter in the history of Florence, waiting to be experienced. Masterpiece of life, art, and nature.